day 35 and part B. Having done a teaching one in part A, I just want to quickly show off what I did last night. So last night I moved my blue special granny square, whatever it's called, Savannah, that's right. I moved my blue Savannah to getting pretty close to finishing, which is really great. Yeah, and I'm now in possession of a delicious coffee, which is that man, he met me and he's lovely. So cheers.
Cheers.
That man. Oh, and the drum kit. Yeah, when you stick the headphones on and bang the drum, I nearly fell off the chair with fright. So it's not my thing, but it's definitely his. And blimming brilliant. You can't hear a single drumming noise coming out of the back bedroom. And but it's really clear when you put the headphones on. That's awesome. Happy days. So yep, crochet hook down. Okay, so the blue one's moving along quite nicely, and I thought that we would do our flower garden a quick round of green. So yeah, and have a brilliant day, and the sun is out, and yeah, bye for now.